If you work with PDFs every day, OnlyOffice Docs 9.3 just made things a lot easier. The new PDF editor lets you unlock and edit password-protected files, manage links, redact text, and even edit built-in PDF fonts. You can also sign PDF forms fast, type, draw, or upload an image. And yes, PDF version history is finally here. That's just a taste of the PDF upgrades in 9.3. Stick around, we're breaking it all down in this video. Let's jump in.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
First, click the link in the video description. It'll take you directly to the official OnlyOffice website. If you haven't heard of OnlyOffice before, it's a powerful, fully featured alternative to Microsoft Office. And best of all, it's completely free. It includes word processing, spreadsheets, presentations, and PDF editing all in one place at no cost. What really makes OnlyOffice stand out is its seamless collaboration experience. You can share documents with colleagues, leave comments, exchange ideas, and review work together in real time, all on the same platform. On top of that, OnlyOffice includes a built-in AI assistant that can generate text, create images, and even write code. It can also translate passages, rewrite sections, and check spelling and grammar. For a free tool, it's genuinely impressive. OnlyOffice is available on Windows, Linux, and Mac. In this walkthrough, we'll be downloading it on Windows. Once you're on the download page, you'll see three options. Select the last one, Desktop and Mobile Apps. Then choose your operating system, which in our case is Windows, and click the recommended download. Once the download finishes, the installation process will begin automatically.
Once installed, you're greeted by a clean, intuitive interface where your documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and PDFs all live in one place. There's also a built-in template section with ready-made layouts for every file type, so you can jump into a project right away instead of starting from scratch. And if collaboration matters, OnlyOffice handles that too. You can work with teammates in real time, leave comments, exchange feedback, and review documents together seamlessly. Add in a built-in AI assistant that can generate text, write code, translate content, rewrite passages, and check spelling and grammar, and it's easy to see why OnlyOffice stands out as such a compelling free tool. Now, the reason we're talking about OnlyOffice today is that version 9.3 has just launched, and it brings some seriously impressive upgrades, especially for PDF editing, which is clearly a major focus in this release. The OnlyOffice team has long believed that digitally signing documents should feel as natural as pen and paper, and with the updated signature field and PDF forms, that vision is now fully realized. On top of the existing image upload option, which now lets you remove white backgrounds for a cleaner look, users now get two expanded signing methods. First, there's custom text, where you type your signature in an elegant, professional font, ideal when you don't have a stylus or image file handy. Second, there's drawing, which lets you sketch your signature directly on screen with a mouse or touch device for a more personal touch. And for enterprise users, there's an even bigger addition. OnlyOffice Docs enterprise users can now upload a signing certificate through the admin panel, enabling trusted digital signatures on submitted PDF forms and helping protect important documents from unauthorized access and modification.
Building on that stronger PDF security, version 9.3 also adds the ability to unlock and edit password-protected PDF files directly, as long as you have the password. That means you can secure your documents and still work inside protected files without leaving the platform. Along with that, link management in PDFs is now much more flexible. You can easily create and edit links to external resources or internal pages. And importantly, those links remain active even in commenting mode, so readers can keep navigating no matter the editing state. And the PDF improvements go further. Version 9.3 also adds version history support for PDF files, the ability to edit built-in PDF fonts, text redaction from the pop-up tool panel, page print settings, macro support for adding and editing pages, forms, annotations, shapes, tables, images, and diagrams, plus the ability to insert adjustable fields into table cells when creating PDF forms. Altogether, these changes are a major step forward for anyone who works with PDFs every day. Beyond PDFs, the document editor also gets meaningful upgrades centered on collaboration and layout. A new multi-page view makes it easier to review layouts by showing multiple pages side by side, which is especially useful for checking formatting consistency across long documents. Supporting that, the improved comments feature now gives each collaborator a unique user color for instant identification, and it shows the exact start and end points of commented text, so context is never lost during review. Alongside that is a newly consolidated header and footer tab that brings every related option into one dedicated place, so there's no more digging through scattered menus. And to round out the update, mouse selection has been improved too. Double-click selects a word, and triple-click selects an entire paragraph. It's a small change, but one that makes everyday editing faster and more precise. So when you take it all together, the expanded signature options, stronger PDF security, new editing tools, smarter collaboration features, and a cleaner interface improvements, OnlyOffice 9.3 feels like a genuinely well-rounded update designed to speed up your workflow across the board. And remember, all of this is completely free. The link is in the description below, so give it a try for yourself. Let us know what you think in the comments, and if you want more content on AI tools and productivity software, make sure you subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.